Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope your day is going fine. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on your geolocation. It's your man Michael Armstrong, and we're here to make some money today. We'll be trading $100 account, and as you can see, we will be using our AI screener for pocket option. But before we continue, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. There's gonna be a link there for you to join our free Telegram channel where you have access to free signals and many more free products. You can check the comment section as well. The link is there for you. All right. Today we're gonna be using our artificial intelligence screener to predict our market. Basically, how does it operate? Let's go ahead and find out. It says its instruction says you're gonna choose between classic market and OTC market. You're gonna go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of your chart, and then you wait for a few seconds while the analysis changes stages, and it tells you the forecast. It predicts the market, tells you when to buy and when to sell. Another interesting thing about this is gonna tell you the time to execute the market. So ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hit the market with OTC markets today using our AI screener. Most importantly, you know that we will be risking 100%. Our account balance will be maxing up from $100 and see how much money we're gonna make in this session for the time the AI screener is gonna go and give us. All right, taking a very nice screenshot of our Avalanche OTC. A nice screenshot of Avalanche OTC, attaching it to our AI screener. We're gonna hold on tight and see. It says once we send it, it will start analyzing and it will give us a forecast. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna be. Is it gonna be a buy or sell? It's starting candlesticks, and it is gonna be a sell, a 3-minute sell. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. Our timer is already on 3 minutes and selling. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. We are risking 100%. Our account balance, that is $100 on the line. Alright, on the prediction, this is predicted by our AI screener to be a 3-minute sell, strong volatility level with a success probability set to be high as well. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is your AI screener version 2.0, predicting this to be a sell on 3 minutes time. Avalanche OTC, that's our first trade for this session. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. On our timer, we have 2 minutes 29 seconds left. Holding on, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how this is gonna play out. See you soon. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, 14 seconds left on the timer. It was really a roller coaster. The sellers pushed down the market, but the buyers also put up a fight. We're gonna hope and trust this is gonna close with a win for us on our first trade for today. 1 second left on the timer, and yes, nice and smooth. That was a close call, but we are cruising in the market. So far, so good. First trade secured. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be on Cardano OTC. Cardano OTC. I'm setting my account on maximum because we are scaling up. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of Cardano OTC, ladies and gentlemen, and attach it to our AI screener. As we wait and see, it says it's gonna start analysis and give us a forecast. So what is it gonna be, ladies and gentlemen? Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, and it is a 15-second sell. Let's set our timer on 15 seconds and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Prediction is that this is gonna be a medium volatile trade, success probability to be high. On our timer, we have 6 seconds left. 5 seconds, 4, ladies and gentlemen, 3 seconds, 2, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. That's a very fast trade, and it was a good catch by our AI screener version 2.0. We are cruising. That's gonna be our next trade, Bitcoin ETF OTC. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of our Bitcoin ETF OTC. And ladies and gentlemen, attaching my screenshot to my AI screener. This is gonna be our third trade for today. We are risking 100%. Our account balance, which is 368 USD. Ladies and gentlemen, it says once we send it to analyze it and give us a forecast, and it is a sell, a 1-minute sell. Let me set my timer on 1 minute and execute a sell order on this trade, people. Predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be a medium volatility level trade with a success probability set to be high. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. On our timer, we have 46 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is your AI screener version 2.0, predicting this trade to be a sell. Alright, on our timer, we have 37 seconds. It is more or less like a consolidating. Okay, the sellers are coming in and pushing down the market, and it is looking good. So far, so good, ladies and gentlemen. All we had to do was send a screenshot to our AI screener. It processes it and gives us our trade. We've recorded 2 wins today, and this is our third trade of the session. The buyers are putting up a fight, the sellers are pushing down the trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. 11 seconds left on the timer. Holding on tight, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost there for our third trade of the session. Yes, looking good. The sellers are pushing down the trade. 3 seconds left on the timer. 2 seconds. 1. And here we go. Nice and smooth. That's our third win for today, and it is looking good. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be on Bitcoin OTC. Let's go straight and take a very nice screenshot of Bitcoin OTC. We're gonna go ahead and attach a very nice screenshot to our AI screener. Ladies and gentlemen, we are risking 100% our account balance, 100% risk. That's 707 USD. Alright, it's starting candlesticks, and what is it gonna be? It is 15-second sell, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and execute a 15-second sell on this trade. It is predicted to be a medium volatility level trade with a success probability set to be medium. On our timer, we have 7 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, it is a break even, not a win, not a loss for us. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. That's the worst scenario using your AI screener version 2.0. Dogecoin OTC. That's gonna be our next trade. Dogecoin OTC. Taking a very nice screenshot of Dogecoin OTC. We're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out. It says once we send it, it will start analyzing and give us a forecast. Alright, and it is gonna be a 5 seconds buy. Let's go ahead and set our timer on 5 seconds and execute a buy order for this trade. It says this is gonna be a 5 seconds trade, 1 second left on the timer, and here, nice we go. We have just secured another win for our trade today, and it is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. We are so far, we were able to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different trades, and then, ladies and gentlemen, 1 break even with 3 wins, back-to-back wins. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with the next trade, ladies and gentlemen, and see how this is gonna play out. 1 more trade for this session, and we can call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. Polkadot OTC. Maximum account balance. Let's go ahead and hit the market with Polkadot OTC. Taking a very nice screenshot of Polkadot OTC. We're gonna go ahead and attach our screenshot to our AI screener and wait for the prediction. Is it gonna be a buy or a sell, ladies and gentlemen? Holding on tight. It's studying candlesticks and it's processing, and it's gonna tell us what is it, and it is a 3 minutes buy. Let's go ahead and set our timer on 3 minutes, people, and execute a buy order for this trade. 100% our account balance. We are risking everything we've got. Prediction is that this is gonna be a 3 minutes buy, medium volatility level with a success probability set to be high. Once again, this is your AI screener version 2.0 predicting this market on a 3 minute. We are risking 100% our account balance, ladies and gentlemen, and we are gonna hold on tight to see how this is gonna play out. On our timer, we have 2 minutes 36 seconds left. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's hold on tight to see how this is gonna play out. See you soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the 10 seconds mark. As you can see, the buyers have given us a very good buy. The sellers are coming in. We're gonna hope this is gonna close on the last win for today. 2 seconds left on the timer, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. All right, people. This has been a very good time with you in the market trading today. We were able to take 6 position, 1 break even with 5 different wins using our AI screener version 2.0. All we had to do was take a screenshot and send it in, and it gives us prediction of the market with the time to execute the market on. We were able to trade our account from $100 to $2,609. Let's go ahead and calculate the total amount of money we've made today, ladies and gentlemen, by subtracting from the total account balance. We're gonna subtract the total amount we have risked, which is our capital of $100, and in total today, ladies and gentlemen, we're able to make 2,509.2 USD in less than 15 minutes using our AI screener. I highly recommend you get this. This is just simply amazing. You can see how basically I was able to make this amount of money within a short period of time. Do yourself well by getting this product and boost your account balance within a short period of time. All right, is your man Michael Armstrong. Before I sign out, I'd like to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. Remember that there's gonna be a link for you to join our free Telegram channel where you have access to free signals and many more free products. Check the comment section as well. There's gonna be the link there for you. All right, I wish you good luck in the market. I also wish you much more money in the market, and see you next time. Bye.